Hello once again dudes, my name is Mil and welcome to another XHTML tutorial. So in this tutorial we're working with some more attributes for the tables. First I want to change this to one. There is an attribute called width you can use for this one. And let's say that you can set it to 100%. If we go ahead and run it right now, as you can see, it doesn't have space over here. The reason that space over here is because of the program language, and you can see that when we're drawing out, it gets like this. If we set it equal to 100%, let's see what happens. Basically, they now fill the whole web page. Of course, it'll get smaller as we do this, but if we click here, the entire web page. So there is. You can also go ahead and say like maybe 50, and don't add the percent sign. And see what happens. As you can see, it looks pretty buggy, but if we say like 100 again, let's see what it says. Now that doesn't work, so you gotta use percent again. So if you use 10%, let's see what happens. Then get this amount of space, and we can go ahead and be like 50 maybe. And see, then it helped a little bit. You get it, and let's go ahead and remove this again just to be sure what happens if we do so. As you can see, then it goes back to the default look. Right. So there's also another attribute called Cellspacing. There we go. And it takes the Cellspacing takes it per pixel. So if we say like 10 pixel and save, let's see what the result is. Cellspacing gives like border around here, so we can add a lot. But if we add 100 and look, you can always say it will get a pretty insane result. But if that is what you need, well, you can get it. So let's add 1 and see what happens. Now it looks very chunky. So what if we set it equal to 5? Wouldn't that be pretty great? Well, looks fine to me. So this is one of the ways that you can work with the attributes of width and cell spacing. You might be thinking about, what about the height attribute? Well, let's take a look at that as well. If we set this equals to 50%, let's see what happens. The height attribute doesn't do anything on the tables as expected, maybe. But you may think, well, maybe it's the percent sign. So let's take a look if that changes. Not really, right? So the height attribute is not for this one, but the width and the cell spacing you can use. So that's basically it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.